remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Okay, first register your account. Okay, use this referral code. This is Royalq. Okay, referral link, and this is Binance Exchange. Use this referral code. Both links you will find into the description of this video. Okay, after registration, do with me in practical. Okay, do it with practical.
Hi everyone, welcome to each and every one of you. Today I am going to show you a very important topic that is called copy trading. Okay, copy trading means there are many expert traders, okay, in the market. They trade for you. Okay, you don't need to do anything to change your strategy or trade settings. Just leave as it is your trade. They trade for you. You're just taking profits. Okay, that's called copy trading. Okay, in here Royalq app, it's called sync strategy. Okay, copy trading is called sync strategy. Okay, first I am opening Royalq app. After opening Royalq app, currently only my one trade is going on. Okay, and I have no any copy trading. As you will see here, first I am clicking here circle. Okay, where here is circle. After clicking circle, here is many expert traders in the market. Okay, just you click and join in. Okay, you check total number of people, percentage, joined people, and trading score, everything. Then you select any trader. Okay, you can also manual search. Just type trader's name here. Okay, for example, in this case, okay, you can search any name. I am searching JD Winner. Click here. Okay, this is JD Winner. I have already joined it. Just click here. After clicking here, as you will see here, here is everything you can see here. Now just click here. Now here is showing sync strategy. Okay, just click here sync. Now click here. Okay, after clicking here, my first trade is 10 USDT. Okay, and here what is the meaning of number of strategies? Number of strategies means how much coin. Okay, number of coins. Because my balance in Binance Exchange 170 USDT, I can apply only one coin. Type here one. Okay, and your profit share is 1% profit sharing. Okay, and don't enable this, leave as it is. Okay, synchronous opening doubled, leave as it is, disabled. Okay, don't enable it. Now click here sync strategy. Okay, after clicking here sync strategy as set successfully. Okay, now go back, click here, again click. Okay, now click here quantitative. As you will see here, your one coin comp USDT sync strategy has been started. Okay, which coins in copy trading you check it sync strategy, and it's not copy trading below Keva Queen, and here is not showing sync strategy, and it's copy trading and it's showing sync strategy. Okay, just click here and see it's automatic started. Settings, everything. You don't need to do trade settings, anything you don't need. Leave as it is. Okay, it's called copy trading. Okay, new investors are confusing what is copy trading, how to do it in this way. Okay, 10 USDT, and how to select queen. You don't need to select queen tokens. Everything do for you what copy traders. Copy traders, everything doing for you. Okay, if I am clicking here, okay, as you will see here is a message. What message? There are new buy in Binance comp USDT. Okay, this will done copy traders. I have not done anything. I am just select sync strategy. Sync strategy is what? Copy trading. Now if I am clicking here mine, okay, and click here my synchronize strategy. Okay, as you will see here, now my sync strategy is started. Today's date and time. Okay, here is also showing you. I hope you will understand everything about copy trading, how to do copy trading. Okay, in this way you can do copy trading for to apply for copy traders. Okay, expert traders trade for you. That's called sync strategy or copy trading in Royalq. Okay, I hope you will understand everything about copy trading in Royalq. Thanks. Okay, one thing more, you can also check your balance. Click here quantitative and here is your balance. My balance is now 160. Before that, before trading, my balance is 170. 10 USDT is in using copy trading. Okay, in this way. As you will see here, I applied trading on yesterday. This is sync strategy. Sync strategy means copy trading, and I am taking profits. You can see your profits here. Click here transactions, and I applied this token. As you will see here, sell it 1.09%. I gain profits. This is all of this copy trading. Okay, and today my profits, if I am clicking here revenue, as you will see here, my today's profits and total profits 16 USDT. Okay, currently my copy trading is on, as you will see here, and it's going on profits. Okay, if I am clicking here mine, okay, then click here my sync strategy, synchronize. As you will see here, my currently trade copy trading is on. Okay, you can cancel it anytime when your trade has been completed. Okay, you can cancel it and again apply for copy trading. In this way, I hope you will understand everything. Okay, in this video, how to apply copy trading. Okay, I hope you enjoy this session. Thank you so much. Keep watching at YouTube channel continuously, supporting this YouTube channel which make us alliance. Okay, union is strength. I would like to say thank you so much each and every one of you. Okay, have a good day. God bless each and every one of you. Thanks.